Ever imagined your smartphone could be your gardening buddy? Well, it's time to embrace the tech tools that modern gardening offers. These aren't just for the tech-savvy among us, but for anyone with a green thumb and a desire to streamline their gardening process. So, let's dive in. Picture this, an app that can identify plants with a simple snap of a photo. Or how about a tool that helps you design your dream garden layout right from your device? Now imagine receiving reminders to water your plants, fertilize your soil, or even harvest your vegetables. Sounds like a dream, right? But this isn't a dream, it's the reality of modern gardening. With a wealth of gardening apps and online resources at your fingertips, your phone becomes more than just a device. It becomes a gardening guide, helping you to create a smart and efficient garden. Watering your garden is now a high-tech affair. Welcome to the world of smart irrigation systems, the perfect blend of technology and nature. These intelligent systems are designed to optimize water usage by adjusting the watering schedule and intensity based on specific plant needs and weather conditions. Imagine a world where your garden waters itself and all you have to do is sit back and watch your plants thrive. How, you ask? Well, it's all in your hands, quite literally. These smart systems can be controlled using your smartphone. From setting watering schedules to adjusting water intensity, you can customize everything according to your garden's needs. Gone are the days of overwatering or underwatering your plants. No more guesswork, no more wasted water. With smart irrigation systems, your garden gets the right amount of water at the right time. The result? Healthier plants, higher yields, and a greener environment. With smart irrigation, you give your plants exactly what they need when they need it. Getting your hands dirty is a part of gardening, but knowing what's in your soil, now that's smart gardening. Enter soil sensors and monitoring apps, the spade and hoe of the digital age. These innovative tools are not just about surface-level gardening, they delve deep into the nitty-gritty of your soil. Imagine having an underground informant that gives you real-time updates on your soil's moisture levels. Too dry, too wet, your sensor will let you know. But it doesn't stop there. These gadgets can also measure your soil's pH balance, ensuring your vegetables are growing in the perfect acidity or alkalinity range. And let's not forget about nutrients. Your soil sensor can tell you if your soil is lacking vital elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, helping you optimize your fertilizer use. With soil sensors, you're always aware of your soil's health, ensuring your plants are thriving in the perfect environment. Short on space? No worries. Modern gardening has a solution for you. Welcome to the vertical world, where your garden grows upwards, not outwards. Vertical gardening is not just a trend, it's a revolution, offering endless possibilities for urban dwellers and those with limited outdoor areas. Imagine wall-mounted planters filled with vibrant leafy greens or trellises draped in juicy tomatoes. Think of hanging systems that turn your balcony into a cascading edible paradise. These are the magic of vertical gardening solutions, a creative and practical way to make the most out of your space. And the benefits? They're sky high. Vertical gardening not only maximizes your growing area, but it also improves air circulation, makes harvesting easier, and adds an aesthetic touch to your home or apartment. So why limit yourself to the ground when you can reach for the stars? Vertical gardening turns any small space into a thriving garden, proving that you don't need a big backyard to grow your veggies. Are you ready to grow plants without soil? Welcome to the world of hydroponics. This revolutionary method allows you to cultivate plants using nutrient-rich water solutions. It's a fascinating blend of science and nature, where you take control of the plant's environment to optimize growth. Hydroponics isn't just for scientists or large-scale growers. With a range of setups available, you can dabble in hydroponics right in your own home. Start with the simple mason jar system, where you suspend the plant's roots in a nutrient solution, or explore more complex setups like wick systems or nutrient film techniques. If you're looking for a step up, consider high-tech indoor hydroponic gardens. These sleek, space-saving units come equipped with LED lights and automated nutrient delivery systems. Imagine harvesting fresh, pesticide-free veggies right from your kitchen counter any time of the year. Hydroponics offers a unique way of gardening that gives you fresh produce year-round regardless of the season. Companion planting isn't new, but wait till you see its modern twist. Traditionally, companion planting has been all about pest control. Farmers and gardeners alike have long paired plants that naturally repel pests with those that attract them, creating a self-sustaining, eco-friendly pest management system. But today, the concept of companion planting has evolved. It's no longer just about keeping the bugs away. It's about optimizing growth and enhancing flavors. With the help of technology and extensive research, we've discovered combinations of plants that not only live well together, but actually help each other thrive. Imagine this: sweet corn, beans, and squash. The classic Three Sisters planting technique. The corn provides a natural trellis for the beans, which in turn fix nitrogen in the soil for the corn and squash. The squash leaves shade the soil, keeping it cool and moist while deterring pests. Through innovative companion planting, your plants not only grow better, but also taste better. Artificial intelligence has made its way to our gardens. In the age of smart homes and AI assistants, our gardens aren't left behind. The latest innovation in this sphere is AI-powered pest management, a leap from traditional pest control methods. These systems are smart enough to identify pests and diseases in the early stages. They utilize advanced algorithms and machine learning to recognize different types of pests, diseases, and even nutritional deficiencies. It's like having a pair of extra eyes that never sleep, constantly monitoring your garden for any signs of trouble. Once a potential issue is detected, these systems alert you, allowing you to take timely action. This early detection is crucial in preventing the spread of pests or diseases, and it can save a lot of time and resources in the long run. With AI in your garden, you have a virtual guardian that keeps pests at bay. The future of gardening indeed looks bright, doesn't it?